Need to replace the key fob battery in your 2022-2023 Ford Maverick? It's a simple DIY task. This video will guide you through the process step by step, saving you time and money. No special tools are needed, just a common CR2032 battery and a small screwdriver or coin. This video will cover everything you need to know to get the job done right. The Ford Maverick key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery to operate door locks, the trunk, and the panic alarm via RF signals. A weak or dead battery prevents the fob from working. The CR2032 is chosen for its long shelf life, up to 10 years, and stable voltage. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or coin, and a soft cloth to protect the fob from scratches. Make sure you have the correct battery type. Using an incorrect battery like a CR2025 can lead to signal loss or failure. Now we'll walk through the battery replacement process step by step. First, use the screwdriver or coin to carefully pry open the key fob casing. Insert the tool into the slot, gently twist, and separate the two halves. Next, remove the old battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Finally, snap the fob casing back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your Maverick. Here are some important tips and safety precautions to keep in mind when replacing your Ford Maverick key fob battery. First, avoid touching the internal circuit board to prevent static electricity damage. Static discharge can fry delicate electronic components. Second, work in a dry environment to avoid moisture damage to the electronic components. Third, recycle the old battery properly according to your local e-waste regulations to protect the environment. Finally, if the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, the issue might be with the transmitter itself rather than just the battery. In that case, inspect the circuit board or seek professional help. After replacing the battery, test the key fob's range by standing up to 100 feet from your vehicle and pressing the lock or unlock button. If the range is much shorter than expected, first verify that the battery is inserted correctly with the positive side up. Confirm you are using the correct CR2032 battery type for the Ford Maverick key fob. Check that the battery contacts inside the fob are clean and the battery is making firm contact with them. Using the wrong battery type, like a CR2025 instead of CR2032, can reduce the fob's signal strength and range. Some early 2022 Ford Maverick owners reported rapid battery drain, often within 6 months of ownership. This issue affected many users and was attributed to software glitches rather than hardware faults. Ford addressed this problem with a service bulletin SB 22-09-02, releasing a software update that mitigated the battery drain. By 2024, this update had resolved the issue for most affected vehicles. If you experienced early battery drain, make sure your Maverick has received the latest software update. This can be done through the Ford Pass app or by visiting a dealership. If battery drain issues continue even after replacement and the software update, the problem might stem from a faulty fob circuit board. In such cases, the issue may be covered under warranty. Key fob technology is evolving. Expect longer-lasting batteries and integration with smartphone apps like Ford Pass, potentially reducing reliance on physical batteries. Smartphone apps like Ford Pass enable remote access to vehicle functions through your phone, potentially making traditional key fobs less necessary. Future vehicles may use inductive charging systems, where energy is transferred wirelessly to power keyless entry without needing battery replacements. Biometric systems, such as fingerprint recognition, may eliminate the need for physical key fobs by using your unique biological features for vehicle access. The Ford Maverick may see some of these advanced features in future models, potentially eliminating the need for replaceable key fob batteries altogether.